Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss. Today we are going to the evaluation as there is a vocabulary seems right. So I will ask from the homework, the previous homework that he will review with the students. Okay, so we start from computer here. But without seeing, yeah, without seeing the laptop. Okay. What is the function of enter key?
The function of
Enter key.
enter key is to make or to start a new line or paragraph. To start a new line or new paragraph.
How about with backspace? Backspace key.
Backspace key is for erase anything outside on the left also. On the left also or on the left side.
On the cursor, yeah. Okay. Delete key.
Delete key, erase anything outside on the right side cursor.
How many function keys do you know?
12.
12. Okay, English is good.
F1, F2, F3 means but for the primary one, there is no specific function for F1 and 2. Just how many the function key and then where's the located of the function key
On the left. The location.
the location is above of the
place,
yeah, the place.
So from F1 until F12, you don't even want the function. You don't know even want the function.
I know, I forget F2, tomato, and the south, F4, that was the MSC, F4 or F3, like to to make the sound smaller, and then to make the brightness of the darkness of it. Yeah, function.
Even though you not really good students, I think you should know also the function of each of the function design, how you should maybe they ask or one of them want to apply first. At least you have known. Right. Okay. Because we are as a teacher, in their mind that we don't know everything, right?
Okay, F12 to make the airplane mode, airplane mode.
Okay, you see that, yeah. Alright, how about the arrow keys? What's the function?
Arrow keys is used for to move the cursor up.
How many?
Four keys on the arrow of the arrow keys.
Okay, one. Each of them has a different function, right? So can you please explain?
In the left arrow keys to move the cursor to the left, in the right to move the cursor to the right, in the up to move the cursor to the up, and then the down go to down of the sentence system.
Oh, so based on the arrow keys, right? To the left, to the left.
Yes.
Okay. How about how many do you know the letter keys in the keyboard?
Letter key, there are 26 letter keys.
26, yeah. Number keys?
No, number keys.
9, yeah.
Like 10, from 0, yeah. From 0 to 9, 0, 1 to 8. Yeah, okay, there are 10.
What does it mean by an object floats?
Object float, which means the object is on a surface of the water. On surface of the water.
How about the object sinks?
The object move to go down on the water. Go down on the water.
Below the water.
Below the water.
What makes ship able to float? What makes ship able to float?
Because a ship made from what?
Please don't, because of this you will read it again later, yeah. So what makes ship able to float? Not because of the wood.
Can you give me the choice?
I think it's really easy only see right the options right. Read again. So a sheep can sing when a sheep can sing when what? When can a sheep sing?
When
Sing.
there is a hole on the sheep,
Udah?
there is a hole or some holes on the sheep, and then there are so many people inside the sheep. So the answer is hole. There is,
Oh,
there is
okay.
a
Actually,
hole.
the answer is not that, but because it still can be accepted, yeah. Okay. The answer here because water gets inside.
Water gets inside.
Water gets inside.
Because
Maybe
of
you
the
can do
hole.
Maybe you can do because there is a hole, so
Yeah.
that's why water
There is can inside the sheep.
yeah. Alright, so that's why I say it can be accepted. Even though the answer is not really saying right. Okay. Almost the essay is still with the multiple choice, right? Or science. And yeah, repeat again the question from multiple choice. Let's just see. Okay, now we move to IPAS. Apa perbedaan hewan ternak dan hewan liar? Hewan ya, hewan apa namanya ya?
Hewan ternak itu hewan.
Oh maaf, sorry. Hewan ternak dan hewan peliharaan.
Hewan ternak itu hewan yang dipelihara di peternakan, sedangkan hewan peliharaan itu hewan yang dipelihara di rumah dan biasanya hewan yang kita sukai seperti itu.
Jadi hewan ternak itu bukan hewan yang suka.
Biasanya hewan yang dapat dimanfaatkan, yang dapat menghasilkan sesuatu yang dapat dimanfaatkan, misalnya ayam, kambing, dapat dimanfaatkan susu dagingnya. Jadi kalau hewan peliharaan itu kan tidak bisa, misalnya kita bisa ajak untuk bermain seperti itu. Tidak bisa kita manfaatkan.
Apa ciri-ciri hewan liar?
Ciri-ciri hewan liar itu mencari makan, ciri-ciri bisa mencari makan berburu
Dari sisi apa?
mencari makan dengan cara berburu, terus memiliki kuku yang tajam, gigi yang tajam, terus biasanya hidup di alam bebas.
Apa yang kita bisa ambil dari domba?
Domba bulu dan dagingnya.
Bulu dan daging. Bagaimana dengan kuda?
Kuda itu susu. Kadang-kadang mungkin mau juga kita ambil dagingnya dari kuda. Ada beberapa orang yang makan daging kuda. Kita ambil
Yang paling sering lah. Tenaga ya. Oke. Apa yang bisa diambil dari bebek?
Bebek, telur dan daging.
Okay, now we move to English. Where does potato grow?
Potatoes grow in the soil.
Apa banana?
Bananas grow on a tree.
How about carrots?
Carrots grow in soil.
Tomato?
On a plant.
Oranges?
On a tree.
Apple?
On a tree.
Apa salah satu contoh kalimat yang termasuk ke dalam pujian?
Bagus sekali lukisan kamu, seperti itu. Wah, cantik sekali kamu, menggunakan buah atau bagus, langsung ke kalimat kalimat membuat orang itu jadi senang. Misalnya cantik banget, kalimat kata sifat ya, kata sifat cantik banget sih kamu, wah rapi banget kamu, gitu. Menggunakan langsung kata sifat rapi, cantik, ganteng, atau sebuah pujian gitu lah, sehingga orang lain menjadi senang mendengarnya gitu.
Bagaimana cara menawarkan bantuan kepada orang lain?
Sini aku bantu membawanya seperti itu.
Apa kita boleh duduk-dudukan saat bermain sepeda?
Tidak, kita kecelakaan, kita kecelakaan, kita terjatuh.
Jadi apa yang harus kita lakukan?
Berhati-hati mengenai sepeda,
Berhati-hati.
kita tidak kebut-kebutan.
Kalau kita perlu meminta izin ketika ingin ke kamar kecil, misalnya minta izin dulu, mengapa?
Karena jika kita tidak meminta izin berarti itu kita tidak patuh terhadap diri. Jadi meminta izin itu suatu kata yang harus kita ucapkan jika kita ingin meminta izin untuk keluar atau kita ingin melakukan sesuatu, izin dulu.
Mengapa kita harus bersyukur? Mengapa kita harus bersyukur? BKN.
Harus bersyukur. Karena udah bersyukur karena apa nih, Miss?
Di sini mengapa kita harus bersyukur? Makanya, menurutmu lah, dokter kita itu harus bersyukur.
Tidak ganda.
Iya.
Karena udah dikasih Tuhan badan kehidupan gitu ya, bersyukur karena udah banyak yang sayang, bersyukur banyak karena bisa pintar ya. Karena apa yang udah telah kita dapat, intinya bersyukur dengan apa yang telah kita dapat.
Apa yang kita lakukan pertama? Kewajiban atau hak?
Kewajiban
Kenapa?
tunggu dulu. Ya karena
Kenapa kewajiban Tuhan?
karena jika kita udah melakukan kewajiban itu kan sesuatu yang harus kita lakukan. Jadi kalau kita udah benar dalam melakukannya, maka hak kita itu pasti akan terpenuhi gitu. Misalnya kalau kita tidak patuh terhadap orang tua, pasti ke orang tua kita tidak mau sayang sama kita. Bukan tidak mau sayang, bukan berarti tidak sayang. Pasti kamu ya selalu marah-marah terhadap kita. Kemudian kalau guru kita memenuhi kewajiban kita menyelesaikan PR. Itu kan kewajiban kamu tuh. Jadi kalau kamu sudah selesai, pasti hak kamu apa? Guru menjadi sayang terhadap kamu, tidak marah kepada kamu.
Okay, now we move to the application. How do we take care of our eyes?
Don't sit too close with the television. Take 45 minutes short break for watching television. And then
How about reading book?
reading book. Yeah, but reading book you need to sit properly, like sit upright. Sit upright when you read your book, and then you don't get too close with the book. Don't straight in the dark room.
Don't read in the dark room. So how do we take care of our nose?
Don't put something sharp things inside your nose, and then don't pick your nose until down and with your finger. Because your finger, you don't know right, your finger dirty or no. There's a germ or no, so you need adult help to clean your nose.
Can we put objects in the ears? Why?
Because if we put something or object inside our ears, better the object can move and then can move inside and can go inside to our ears, and so we cannot hear well.
And it will be dangerous.
Yeah. Because we are still children, we are
So what do we use for cleaning our nose and our ears?
tissue paper, tissue,
Ears?
cotton bud can, but
Can we? Better nggak?
actually can, but you with adult help or maybe I use cotton bud for my children.
Oh iya.
For the outside only, for the adult can, inside can go.
It's dangerous to kids.
If they do by themselves, it's dangerous. If we do, so we like this. That's why they need adult help to to clean the cotton bud.
Because here you cannot use cotton bud.
Yeah, in the book also we don't use cotton bud. So what we will use to clean our ears?
So according to you, that's good. It's okay.
According to me, yeah, it's okay. But with adult help, your mommy or your daddy to clean your ears. If every week we go to the eye, we need to check our ears. How much money will we spend it? Yeah.
Alright, okay.
I moved to the previous week.
What is the function of caps lock key?
So key is to turn on or off the capital letters.
How many keys do most keyboard have?
104 keys.
Ketika kita terlambat ke sekolah, apa yang sebaiknya kita lakukan?
Maaf, saya terlambat. Saya tidak perlu ulangi lagi.
Maaf aja. Ya, Alfian.
Maaf Bu, maaf Pak, ya, saya terlambat. Saya tidak akan mengulanginya kembali. Itu.
Apa yang harus kita ucapkan setelah menerima bantuan dari orang lain?
Terima kasih telah membantuku.
Apa yang seharusnya kita lakukan ketika kita ingin meminjam pensil itu?
Bolehkah meminta izin? Bolehkah saya meminjam pensilmu?
Apa yang harus kita lakukan sebelum pergi bermain ke lapangan?
Meminta izin kepada orang. Pamitan.
Okay. Now science. What cannot non-living things do?
They cannot move by themselves.
What is a push or pull on an object called?
Force.
What happens when we push an object? And what happens when we pull them?
When we push an object, the object will go far away from us. And when we pull the object will get closer with us, towards with us.
What is a force?
The force is when you push or pull an object to move them.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan hewan amfibi?
Hewan yang hidup di dua alam, air dan darat.
Apa yang namanya untuk hewan yang tinggal dalam rumah?
Hewan darat.
Apa beda hewan herbivora, karnivora, dan omnivora?
Herbivora memakan tumbuhan, karnivora memakan daging, omnivora memakan daging dan tumbuhan.
Contohnya?
Omnivora.
Ketiga-tiga itu.
Ini herbivora kambing, karnivora singa, omnivora itu ular, monyet,
Ular makan rendang juga.
ular, ular monyet, hewan yang memakan juga beruang.
Apa namanya untuk tempat yang dibuat hewan untuk tinggal?
Kandang atau sarang.
Oke, yang terus. English mostly like nothing. Okay, can you please mention some vegetables and some fruits make them different?
Maybe if for the example of what is
Yeah, the sense of vegetables and fruits.
also the example of fruit is there are apple, bananas, and then mango, watermelons,
one is best to be eaten? Fruits or vegetables?
One of them.
Perfect. Why?
Because we live, there are the source of the vitamins and minerals.
Because
Because it can make our body healthy and strong and then
yes. Okay. They are good to our health. Yeah. To our body. Okay. Now to PPKN. Apa kewajiban kita sebagai anak di rumah?
kewajiban kita sebagai rumah membantu orang tua, patuh pada orang tua, belajar,
Siapa yang bertanggung jawab menjaga proses sekolah?
semua warga sekolah.
Apa kewajiban dan aksi siswa di sekolah?
Kewajiban di sekolah itu belajar, mengerjakan PR, mematuhi peraturan, memakai seragam yang rapi. Terus kalau haknya itu bisa menerima pelajaran dengan baik, disayangi guru dan makan dan minum di kantin, membaca di perpustakaan. Oke.
What do you do after showering to keep your ears clean?
What miss?
What do you do after showering to keep your ears clean?
Wipe your ears with the towel until dry.
What happens if we clean our ears with a cotton bud?
We cannot hear well.
Can we use paper to clean our nose?
Cannot.
That's the question. I just read.
It's really easy. But sometimes that not.
Because I cannot ask out of the homework, right? I must ask from the homework. Immediate.
They're difficult one on the science.
Yeah. Okay. Is it true if we pick our nose, we may not smell food?
Yes, true.
Why?
Because if you pick so down here, you cannot smell everything. You can get bleeding inside your nose, or hurt your nose.
What are the number keys used for?
This is for typing on the numbers. It's used for typing on
What do the arrow keys do? What do the arrow keys do?
move the cursor.
Why mostly the question almost same, yeah? This is 3 weeks ago where I asked you.
Because
There's no choice.
we only have 4 chapters for computer. That's should enough for 3 months.
Oh, I see.
Because we
This
divide
almost repeat again.
Yeah,
I just
it's
switch.
July until September chapter 1, September until December chapter 2. That's why all about computer and keyboard again. This first January maybe January we will change.
Apa yang harus kita lakukan ketika menyeberang jalan?
Melihat ke kanan ke kiri. Yes.
Yes.
Melihat ke
Kalau
kanan.
nggak sama, it's not same. Indonesia sama
Melihat ke kanan ke kiri, terus meminta bantuan orang lain. Bukan. Jadi
Jawabannya ada di sini kalau minta tolong, tapi itu bukan jawaban dari menyeberang jalan. is raincoats waterproof? What property?
Waterproof.
It's not true, also right. What property of wood makes it difficult for us to bend easily?
Hard and rigid.
Okay. Why is paper not waterproof?
Because paper is made from because paper is with waterproof.
Why is paper not waterproof? Because paper is not waterproof.
That's why there's another one.
Don't you filter means when you want to make the question?
Because sometimes we ask for Monica, so Monica give us
They say like this.
but because we made it on the night, so we just put it.
For example, why I'm here? Yeah, because I'm here. We don't get the answer right. Why I'm here? Yeah, because I'm here. Say like this. Why is water? Why is paper waterproof? Because paper is waterproof. Sometimes we can filter. Maybe you can find out the other option from Google.
Because we can look it from the source. We should use our book.
Yes, but in like business, you can have. How come the answer is because paper is not waterproof? The question also that, right? The question maybe you can take from Monica's application, right? But the optional answer you can add from from Google. Maybe you can find out the appropriate answer. Yeah.
Next time.
What is envelope made of? Envelope.
Paper,
Shirt,
fabric,
cloth,
paper.
What property of rocks makes them difficult to hold?
Hard and rigid.
Bagaimana cara kita merawat peliharaan?
Memberi makan, memberi vitamin, memberi kandang, memberi kandang. Apa yang bisa diproses?
Salah satu hewan maskot Indonesia itu apa, Mas? Hewan maskot ini hewan apa ya? Yang
Hewan
berharga.
ciri khas yang
Ciri khas,
ciri
ya.
khas dari sebuah daerah atau ciri khas suatu negara gitu.
Kalau Sumatera termasuk nggak?
Singa Sumatera, ciri khas singa Sumatera biasanya singa gajah ya, kalau di Sumatera gajah.
Kalau Sumatera? Gajah.
Aslinya gajah.
Pasti Sumatera.
Kita mengambil kalau ini.
Contohnya maskot Indonesia itu Komodo ya. Apa yang kamu bertiga kan yang peliharaan sapi?
Memberi makan atau membawa ke dokter hewan.
Pokoknya kebetulan. Berapa kali sebelum?
Ekonominya sakit nih.
Kalau sakit saja. Dan mungkin bagaimana cara menjaga dia menjaga sapi?
Kita memberi vitamin aja, kita bisa beli melalui dokternya, kita tidak mesti datang ke dokternya.
Mau English ya? Can you explain about have and heaven? No. Yes, that's right. Have and heaven, right? The topic. Can you just explain?
Have and heaven, it means that have you got or any sausages or have you, if you have, you say I have, but yes I have got. If you haven't, you say no I haven't got. Only focus for the
What is the difference?
so the
What is the definition of have and heaven?
yeah, it means like if you have something, if you have the object, you say I have got. If you didn't have or doesn't have, you don't have, you say I haven't
you pass this 10 minutes.
Thank you,